For decades, the Molave Public Market stood as the heart of our town. A place not just for buying and selling, but for connection, for community, for life. It was where stories were shared, where laughter echoed through the aisles, where generations of Molaveños built their dreams, one day at a time. Now, a new chapter begins. A brand new market building rises in the heart of Molave. Modern, clean, spacious. A structure worthy of the hard-working hands. Built not just for commerce, but for dignity. For the vendors who wake before sunrise. For the families who come to buy their daily bread. For every Molaveño who calls this town home. This is more than a building. Welcome to the new Molave Public Market. Your market, your pride, your home.